AI-proof careers, jobs safe from automation. In an age increasingly defined by artificial intelligence and automation, many workers are understandably concerned about job security. While many sectors may face disruption, certain careers stand resilient against the tides of technology. These professions not only leverage uniquely human skills, but also adapt to evolving demands, ensuring their place in the workforce. One prominent area is healthcare, where the human touch is irreplaceable. Jobs such as nurses, therapists, and doctors rely on empathy, critical thinking, and interpersonal communication. Healthcare professionals provide comfort and understanding, skills that machines cannot replicate. As populations age and demand for personalized care rises, these roles remain critical, even in an evolving technological landscape. Another domain resistant to automation is education. Teachers play an essential role in shaping minds, fostering creativity, and nurturing social skills. While online learning experiences enhance education access, the guidance and support a dedicated teacher offers cannot be automated. With the rise of new subjects and teaching methodologies, educators who adapt will continue to thrive in a tech-infused learning environment. Creative fields also offer promising job security against automation. Careers in art, writing, music, and design rely heavily on creativity and emotional depth. While AI can generate content or mimic styles, the unique perspectives and experiences humans bring to creative endeavors are truly unmatched. As audiences seek genuine expressions of creativity, those in these fields will find a steady demand for their work, irrespective of technological advances. The trades cannot be ignored either. Skilled laborers such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters possess specialized skills that require hands-on expertise and problem-solving capabilities. These roles often involve complex, bespoke tasks best suited to human intuition. With the continued need for maintenance and construction, trade careers present a promising future unthreatened by automation. Finally, roles in social services and community building epitomize careers that nurture human connection and support. Social workers and counselors help individuals navigate emotional challenges and life transitions, relying on compassion and understanding. Automation simply can't replicate the comfort of human interaction and the unique nuances involved in these professions. Armed with adaptability and creativity, individuals can follow career paths with longevity and fulfillment, ensuring their professional futures remain safe from the reach of automation. How AI is changing the job market. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has surged to the forefront of technological innovation, reshaping the job market in profound ways. Initially viewed with skepticism, AI is increasingly recognized as a catalyst for change that can enhance productivity and redefine job roles across various sectors. As AI systems become more capable and accessible, businesses are leveraging these technologies to optimize operations and drive growth, leading to a shift in the types of skills that are in high demand. The most notable transformation lies in the automation of routine tasks. Many jobs that once required human intervention are now being performed by AI. For instance, data entry, customer service, and even aspects of financial analysis are increasingly handled by intelligent systems. This shift not only reduces operational costs for businesses, but also allows human workers to focus on higher-order tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. However, this transition raises concerns about job displacement and the need for workers to continuously adapt their skills. As AI integrates into workplaces, the demand for specific skill sets is evolving. Jobs that require technical proficiency in AI and machine learning are burgeoning. Workers with the ability to program, manage, and interpret AI-driven solutions are becoming invaluable assets to their organizations. Consequently, educational institutions and vocational training programs are adapting their curricula to better prepare the workforce for the challenges and opportunities posed by AI. Proficiency in technology, data analysis, and soft skills is emerging as a requisite for success in the evolving job landscape. Post-pandemic, the integration of AI technologies is anticipated to accelerate. Companies are keen to utilize AI to enhance efficiency and navigate market uncertainties. This creates an impetus for employees to embrace lifelong learning and adapt to a fast-paced environment characterized by constant technological advancements. flexibility and innovation will become key attributes for individuals seeking to thrive in their careers. The onus will be on both organizations and employees to cultivate a culture of continuous learning, where reskilling initiatives are prioritized and career growth is fostered. In conclusion, AI is undeniably transforming the job market, opening avenues for new careers while altering existing roles. As businesses harness the power of AI, the emphasis will shift toward creativity, emotional intelligence, and advanced technical skills. Embracing this change is crucial for workers and organizations alike. By adapting to the advancements brought forth by AI, we can navigate this evolving landscape to build a future where technology and human potential coexist harmoniously. AI skills for career advancement. In an increasingly digital world, the ability to harness artificial intelligence skills is becoming pivotal for career advancement. As industries evolve, so does the necessity for professionals to adapt and acquire proficiency in AI technologies. Embracing these skills not only enhances your resume, but positions you as a key player in your field, ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. First, understanding the basics of machine learning and data analysis is crucial. These foundational skills pave the way for mastering more complex AI applications. By gaining insight into how algorithms work and how data can be interpreted to make informed decisions, you will be equipped to contribute meaningfully to any project. Imagine being the person who analyzes consumer data to streamline a service, directly impacting business strategy. Next, honing programming skills will enhance your capability to build and implement AI systems. Proficiency in languages such as Python or R allows you to craft custom solutions tailored to specific business needs. As you develop this expertise, visualize creating a smart application that predicts customer trends, thereby driving revenue growth and increasing job security. This technical know-how sets you apart in a competitive job market. Moreover, developing soft skills is equally important as technical prowess. Strong communication and collaborative abilities elevate your intelligence quotient within teams working on AI projects. Being able to convey complex AI concepts to non-technical stakeholders fosters an environment of inclusion and innovation. Picture yourself leading a diverse team, where your communication bridges the gap between creativity and analytical thinking, ultimately leading to impactful solutions. Lastly, staying current with the latest trends in AI technology is an ongoing process. Continuous learning through workshops, online courses, or reading industry publications positions you at the forefront of AI advancements. Envision attending conferences where groundbreaking innovations are shared, or engaging in online forums that foster discussion about future implications of AI in various sectors. This proactive approach to learning ensures that you remain relevant and indispensable in your career. In summation, developing AI skills is no longer optional. It's essential for career advancement. By investing in both technical abilities and interpersonal competencies, you cultivate a professional profile that not only adapts to change but thrives in it. Seize the opportunity to shape your future in the dynamic landscape of artificial intelligence.